The Golgi complex, also known as the Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, is a membrane-bound organelle found in eukaryotic cells. Yet it plays a crucial role in modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins and lipids for transport to their final destination within or outside the cell. In this explanation, we will discuss the structure, function, and significance of the Golgi complex in depth. Structure. The Golgi complex is composed of a series of flattened, membrane-bound sacs called cisternae. The cisternae are arranged in a stacked formation, with the trans-Golgi network located closest to the plasma membrane and the cis-Golgi network closest to the endoplasmic reticulum. The Golgi complex also contains associated vesicles, which transport cargo to and from the organelle. Function. The Golgi complex performs several essential functions in eukaryotic cells, including protein modification. Proteins synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum are transported to the Golgi complex, where they undergo further modification, such as glycosylation, phosphorylation, and sulfation. These modifications can affect protein stability, localization, and function. Protein sorting. The Golgi complex sorts proteins into vesicles based on their final destination within or outside the cell. Proteins destined for secretion are packaged into secretory vesicles, while those destined for lysosomes or other organelles are packaged into vesicles that will fuse with the appropriate organelle. Lipid metabolism. The Golgi complex is involved in lipid metabolism, including the synthesis of complex lipids and the modification of lipids with carbohydrate groups. Formation of lysosomes. The Golgi complex plays a key role in the formation of lysosomes, which are specialized organelles that contain digestive enzymes. Lysosomal enzymes are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum and transported to the Golgi complex for further modification before being packaged into lysosomes. Significance. The Golgi complex is a vital organelle in eukaryotic cells, with important roles in protein modification, sorting and trafficking, lipid metabolism, and the formation of lysosomes. Dysfunctions in the Golgi complex can lead to a range of diseases, including congenital disorders of glycosylation, which are caused by defects in protein glycosylation, and lysosomal storage diseases, which are caused by defects in lysosomal enzyme trafficking. Basically, the Golgi complex is a membrane-bound organelle found in eukaryotic cells that plays a crucial role in modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins and lipids for transport to their final destination within or outside the cell. Dysfunctions in the Golgi complex can lead to a range of diseases, highlighting its significance in maintaining cellular homeostasis.